Now we will discuss mole concepts in solutions. The first term comes in the mole concepts in solution is normality. Normality is generally defined as the gram equivalent of solute in any solution upon the volume of solution in liter. We can also change this liter into milliliter. Then we should divide by 1000. The gram equivalent of solute upon volume of solution in ml into 1000. If specific gravity is given, then the normality is given as specific gravity into strength into 100 upon equivalent weight. This is the formula when specific gravity is given. For example, 0.12 and H2SO4 means a solution which contains 0.12 gram equivalent H2SO4 per liter of solutions. Means H2SO4 solution which contains 0.12 gram equivalent of H2SO4 per liter of solution. Second term is mole fraction, which is denoted by this symbol. It is the ratio of number of moles of a particular component. There is a particular component to the total number of moles of solutions. In this we can take two compounds A and B. Mole fraction of A, psi A equals to number of moles of A by number of moles of solutions, means Na upon Na plus Nb. The number of moles in solution are added. Then second one is number of moles of B by number of moles of solutions equals to Nb upon Na plus Nb. Therefore, also remember this, the value x psi A plus psi B is always equals to 1. This is the relation between both of these terms. Now we will take an example. A solution contains 25% of water, 25% of ethanol and 50% of acetic acid by mass. So we have to calculate the mole fraction of each component. So first of all we start from answer. Let the total mass equals to 100 gram. Total mass is 100 gram. 25 plus 25 plus 50 equals to 100 gram. Then mass of water, mass of ethanol, mass of acetic acid, 25 gram, 25 gram and 50 gram as per the question. Now we will have to calculate individual moles of the component. Mole of water equals to 25 upon 18. 18 is the molar mass of water. After calculating this, we will get 1.388. Similarly, mass of ethanol and mass of acetic acid we have to calculate. Number of mass of ethanol is again 25 and the molar mass of ethanol is 46. After solving this, we will get 0.543. In acetic acid, 50 is the mass of acetic acid and molar mass of acetic acid is 60. After solving this, we will get 0.83. So we have calculated individual moles of three components. Now we will have to add total number of moles. Total number of moles means this plus this plus this. The total is 2.764. Now we will have to calculate individual mole fractions of each component. So formula is mole fraction of water equals to moles of water, how much? 3.88, and the total number of moles is 2.764 equals to 0.502. Similarly, we have to calculate mole fraction of ethanol and mole fraction of acetic acid. Number of moles of mass of ethanol is calculated is 0.543 divided by total number of moles equals to 2.764. Here it is not mass, it is moles and moles. After solving this, we will get 0.169, and in last, mole fraction of acetic acid is 0.833 upon 2.764. After solving this, we will get 0.302. So these are the individual mole fractions of each component: mole fraction of water, mole fraction of ethanol, and mole fraction of acetic acid. I hope you will understand this. Third one is molarity, which is denoted by capital M, which is defined as the moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. And again, if specific gravity is given, then capital M is equals to specific gravity into percentage strength into 10 upon the molar weight of the compound. The fourth one is molality, which is denoted by small m. It is defined as the number of moles of solute dissolved in 100 gram of solvent. Means the number of moles of solute which is dissolved in 1000 gram of the solvent. M is equals to moles of solute divided by weight of solvent in gram into 1000. Now we will take an numerical based on molality. There are 4 options. Out of this, one will be correct. So we will start solving the question. In the given question, calculate the molality of a solution containing 20.7 gram potassium carbonate dissolved in a 500 ml of solutions. So we have to calculate the molarity, means small, and we have to calculate. Given mass of K2CO3 is 20.7 gram. Now molar mass of K2CO3 is 2 into molar mass of potassium 39 plus carbon molar mass is 12 plus 3 into oxygen molar mass is 16. After solving this, we will get 138 mole per liter. Now moles of K2CO3 is equals to mass of K2CO3 gram upon the total molar mass of K2CrO3 is 138. After solving this, we will get 0.15. Mass of solution. Now mass of solution is 500 ml is equals to 500 ml multiplied by 1 gram per ml. We will assume this. Now after multiplying this, we only get 500 gram because ml and ml will be cancelled. Now after this, molality. The formula of molality is moles of solute upon weight of solvent in gram into 1000. So moles of solute is 0.15 here upon weight of the solvent. Weight of the solvent, we have to calculate this 500 minus 20.7 is, after subtracting this from 500, we will get 479.3 gram upon weight of the solvent in grams is 4793 gram into 1000. We will, after solving total this, we will get 0.313 m. This is the molality of the K2CO3. I hope you will like this video. So please subscribe my channel and comment and like.